Hey everyone, I'm Will. Before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and head over to my Patreon page to help support the channel, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Today we are going to make a bacon wrapped steak, and we're gonna grill it. So let's go grill some bacon wrapped steak. Now we're going to cook up the bacon wrapped steak. If you want to see the other half of this video, watch to the end of the video and click on the bacon wrapped venison sausage. What we're going to do is take the tongs that you can see that I show in the other video. Just take this, so there's nice steak that's in there. Looks done. Let's take this right on. Oh, look at that. I'm going to try the steak first. Piece of the bacon fat. Oh, now little steak. Boom, with the bacon. Looking at the sunset. This is just fantastic. So go get some bacon and some steak. Wrap the steak in the bacon. Cook it over some hot coals and enjoy it. It is fantastic on a cold day. If you want to see more of before I post up the videos on YouTube, follow me on Instagram and you can see this before I put it up. So, remember to go down in the description below, click on the link to my channel, and remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See you next time.